What's up, guys? Welcome to Be Lit Reviews. If you were new here, guys, I suggest that you make sure that subscribe button is slapped. We're giving $500 away very soon. We're giving $100 to 5 different people. And you know what? I promise you'll like it. We bring Nike, we bring Adidas, we bring New Balance, Converse, Vans, hype shoes, not hype, general release, athletic, what you name it, we bring it. It's not just about the hype. You know, we rock what we like, not what's hype over here. So anyway, guys, without further ado, let's get into what you came here for. Let's see what we got in the mail, and it's a big old box, man. There's I don't even know where this came from, so we'll find out together. Open it up. It's a big old box right here. All right, put this Winchester to the side. Opening it up. It's a big old white box. Let's see what we got. You see it. Freaking nice box right here, man. It's a Jordan 34. Box reads Air Jordan 34 black/black dark smoke gray. Retail $180 US, size 10.5. It says engineered for flight, and it's got hints of the holographic Jumpman and other hints all over it. It got 34. So you pull the tabs out like this. This is the first time I've ever bought one of these. Like I said, I'm kind of excited, man. I'm kind of excited. I know this isn't hype, but I love sleepers like this. So pulling it out, guys, look. Man, that is a nice box. Wow, right? So we'll set this to the side. Paper reads, designed and engineered to exact specifications for flight. So pulling this back, guys, man, this is a nice shoe. Here's one, and here's the other. What a beautiful shoe, guys. You got the outer with the black with the translucent and Jumpman. Look how that thing pops with your hits of green and green up in the bottom here. This is a beautiful shoe. You got your Jumpman on the back. You got the pull tab. This is like a suede and a netting material right here. And you have your Air Jordan right here. And this pops as well. Going around to the toe box. This is a super light shoe. You got your almost like a carbon fiber look with, not really carbon fiber, but it's like a black carbon fiber, I would describe it as, with a Jumpman right here. And then you rotate it around. You got the pull tabs up here. So you got 3 pull tabs up top. You got 23 on the back. And you got your laces. These are just some smooth laces. You got flight right there with the Jumpman above it, with the holographic tip up here. And the laces go through the tongue, man. You got the breathable tongue here. So you got all this breathing room. These are some great like basketball shoes or some running shoes. I'm definitely going to throw these on feet. I am so excited about these Jordan 34s. And guys, I can't believe I got them for under $100. So check this out. This is like I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it's like a gray tip with gray with silver pops inside the shoestring. So it's a very beautiful shoe. There's your left one. Here's your right one. I'm gonna do a slow 360 so you can take it all in. And like I said, this was on a flash sale, and I got it totally out the door for like $84. Can y'all believe that? It's insane, right? So wow, I think it was $180 when this came out, and it was a really good deal. Super light shoe, super light. So guys, once again, I hope you enjoyed this review. These are on sale right now if they're still available. I believe I got these at Finish Line. I forgot I got so many coming. So if you can get these, I will get my hands on them. These are awesome, awesome shoe to rock with like some shorts or something. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate your time. Have a wonderful, blessed day, and let's get it.
In my pocket with legal tender, cost me to be the winner. Fly out before I could see the winner. No more TV dinners. Wake up and roll me a wood in the morning. I heard it go good with the vitamin C.